Hey, so how to easily resolve counterfeit complaints on Amazon. In this video, you are going to discover the answer with me today. David Miller, he's a lawyer, he represents Amazon sellers, and we have a full playlist with videos down in the description with David Miller. David, welcome, man.
Thanks, Volva. So receiving a counterfeit complaint, how do we go about resolving this? So the first step is once you get that notice, you want to check out the complainant, the company name, and the email address. Sometimes that doesn't line up with who actually owns the IP rights they're trying to enforce. So for example, if someone's selling a product and it's a Nike product, they're not Nike themselves. They can't enforce the Nike IP right just because you're on their listing, let's say. So number one, you want to check the contact information to make sure that the party that filed the complaint actually has the rights to do so. So this is before we're analyzing whether there's infringement or not. We want to make sure, number one, do they actually own the IP rights? And does this particular party, is that the actual accurate party to file? Number two is when you want to look into the trademark asserted. So when you receive a counterfeit complaint, a trademark number will also appear on the listing. So that's when you go to uspto.gov, you copy and paste the trademark number, and you search it. So now this will provide all the information about the company. It'll tell you what attorney filed for it. It'll tell you the company address, where they're located, as long as a slew of additional information. You have to review that and also check for the class of goods. So if someone is selling apparel, that doesn't give them the right to file complaints in every other category. So even if they actually own the IP rights, you don't own it for every single category. So for example, Apple, they own so much intellectual property, but just for basics, right? In general, let's go with electronics. They cannot enforce it for fruit, for example. Apple is a fruit, right? Same thing with Dove. Dove is a great example, right? So Dove, there's Dove soap and there's Dove chocolate. So those are two entirely different companies, but they both own their respective IP rights, and the word mark is exactly the same. So again, you want to make sure that the party that filed it is the party that actually owns the IP rights. And number two, you want to make sure that the class of goods pertains to the products you're selling. If you have any additional questions, feel free to shoot me an email, david@damlawfirm.com, or you can call or text me 516-313-1572.
Yeah, awesome. And we're going to have your contacts in the description, email, phone, website. And on the screen here, we have playlist with David with all the videos that we created together. And if you want to avoid suspension, we have videos for you here. If you've gotten suspended, probably you'll find the reason for the suspension there and like a solution. So thank you for watching and have a great day.